Robots that pick up brand new skills after watching you do something just once. The future just got closer. This is Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 140. A robotics startup just showed a system that lets machines copy a task after seeing it only one time. Most robot training still demands thousands of repeated tries before the machine gets it right. One demonstration changes that picture completely. Think of it like handing a new board game to someone and playing through a single round together. After that round, your friend can usually keep going without extra rules. The new model works the same way, by turning one human action into a reusable pattern the robot can apply later. The company behind it calls the system Gen 1.5. It watches a person reach, grip, and move an object, then stores those movements as a short sequence. Later, the robot matches that sequence to whatever it sees in front of it. This matters because collecting thousands of examples costs time and money most workshops do not have. One-shot learning could let future robots help with new tools or household chores without months of setup. Students thinking about engineering careers might soon focus on showing a robot a process rather than writing every step in code. The company released a video of the robot in action that anyone can watch on their site to see the idea in practice. Picture the robot arm as a student who just watched one cooking video and now tries the recipe alone. It breaks the video into small chunks, such as reach for the handle, grip firmly, lift, and turn. Those chunks become a short script the robot replays when the scene looks similar. If the object sits a little to the left, the robot adjusts only the difference instead of starting over. The cameras on the robot record exact hand and object positions during the first demonstration. Those positions turn into reference points the model compares against the next scene. When the environment shifts slightly, the model recalculates only the changes. Researchers call this one-shot or single demo learning because the demonstration acts like a flexible template. The system stretches and shifts the template rather than building the motion from zero every time. That reuse of one recorded sequence is what lets the robot succeed on the first real attempt. The approach feels familiar because people learn many skills the same way. You watch a friend tie a knot once, then you try it yourself with small adjustments. The robot now follows a similar path using cameras and stored positions instead of memory alone. This single demo method still has limits, yet it points toward robots that adapt faster in real homes and workshops. You cannot test the model yourself yet, but the public video already shows how the arm copies the motion cleanly. A free tool now pulls together everything Chatgpt has stored from your past chats and shows it in one clear list. Most people do not realize how much personal detail builds up over months of casual questions. Go to the PC Mag article, follow the simple steps to run the tool, and look through the results. Ask yourself which pieces of information feel fine to keep and which you might want to delete from your Chatgpt settings afterward. The tool works by requesting your own chat history through Chatgpt's built-in data export feature. It then displays the extracted details in an easy-to-read format right in your browser. After reviewing the list, you can return to your account settings and remove any memories or threads you no longer want stored. Tesla's self-driving cars are now operating in Austin with no one behind the wheel. The fleet handles traffic completely unsupervised, marking a shift from earlier testing that still included human oversight. Observers note the change has been gradual, yet this marks the first time the cars manage city streets without a driver present. If you are curious about how cities might change when cars drive themselves, Austin is one of the first places to watch. That is it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That is literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we will see you tomorrow. And if you would rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nera Network. Link is in the show notes. Quick tip from the network, try modern investing techniques next. Modern strategies for Canadian and US investors. Every Nera Network show is free at neranetwork.com. And on the website, every episode's visuals live in our free image gallery at neranetwork.com gallery. Royalty free under Creative Commons. Download with attribution. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.